You will be amazed by this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. This Town & Country delivers comfort, spaciousness, and satisfying performance. Daily errands and road trips are easier and more relaxing than ever before in this handsome, well-built minivan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, third row seat, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Relax and enjoy life's journey in this comfortable Town & Country. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.